Hi guys, I'm going to be making clear slime with some clear glue,
So, while E6 can be used as a
contact
transition
solution,
tool to help smokers quit,
slime down there,
necessarily assume that
and I don't have 3/4 of a cup, so I'll be using 1/4 of a cup.
in fact, some research has shown that the vapors in E6 can potentially cause gum disease
And
and
then
may lower
one,
your immune response. So, if
no
you're
one's looking at the
motivated to
cup,
quit smoking,
and a half
E6
of a
may
cup.
be able to help. But doctors say you should also keep in mind that it is only a lesser evil that can still take a toll on your health. With Healthy, I'm Sophie Heinemann. Now, if you or someone you know is trying
I don't know.
to quit smoking, it's important to talk
So I'm going to be putting water into these.
specifically for you.
I'll have a bowl. I have clear glue, but I'm not going to use that quite yet. So this is my foam slime. This is my bead slime. This has like little pink fluffy things in it. And then I have ones with the Orbeez in it. There's not very many Orbeez in it because I honestly don't like playing with this one because Orbeez I don't really stay in. So you see the Orbeez? I didn't put very many in there. Then I have just a normal colored sparkly slime. It's really liquidy actually. I don't like to touch this one. I don't like to touch this one either. Also really liquidy. This is my butter slime. I don't know why it's so liquidy. I don't know. I think my sister did to it. It's like liquidy. I have 2 bottles of glue. I have this one. This one. So you'll be needing glue, contact solution, and a bowl.
Is Grammy getting up?
What?
Is Grammy getting up?
No. Oh, no.
Huh?
No.
Should go down and tell her she has to order the pizza.
One fourth and a half a cup. Let's put it together and I'll make 3 cups. And so let's just get started. Slime it between my fingers. Okay. First of all, you put glue. As much as you want. I'm using the whole bottle since I have 2 bottles. Louis, stay. Come here, Louis. Stay here. Good boy. Louis, right here. Good boy. He's I don't know what kind of dog he is. I don't even care. Okay. Got my clear glue. I have that. These, I'm going to go fill these up with water and I'll be right back. Oh, no, it's snapping. I'm back. I'm going to pour one in. And then pour the second. I almost said third. In. Goes to the side. I'll be right back. I need to get a spoon. I'm back. My grandma just left at that back door. This is the dog's treat. I give it to him as soon as he's being a good boy, but you're not going to be having it yet. I need to get it. I can't reach it. There you go. Water all over the place. I got my baby spatula. Literally, it's almost like in the face. Okay. Stir the glue and water together as good as you can. Louie, come here. Good boy. I'm not giving you the whole thing. Just stay here. Okay, mine is mixed very well. It should look liquidy, but also it has like white little streaks in it, maybe. Really pretty streaks. Okay. Get your activator, which is not activator. Contact solution.
At Security National Bank, our customers are smiling because they know what better banking is all about.
I have complete confidence in my wealth management advisor, and I know that my investments are being managed correctly.
For me, it's the people. They always make my family feel so welcome.
And if this doesn't work for you, just put borax and water in. That'd be good too. So I'll be back as soon as I mix this in all the way. Yeah. Oh, the grass just. I got some back.
Yes. Yes, you are.
My phone done. It's not clear.
Yeah.
I figured that out by now. I have gone on YouTube and it told me why it wasn't clear, and it was because there's still bubbles, tons of bubbles in here. And so you want it to be pure, clear. You're probably going to have to leave it out for 3 to 7 days. That's why I don't like this. But you know what? It's fun. I can play Delta, literally. I'm kidding. So, yep. It is so squishy.
Let me see if there's sales on
I mean, it's
ones.
kind of stretchy. I like to slowly let it. Yeah, it's not stretchy. But it sticks together really well. So, comment and like, subscribe, and please no hate comments. I don't like that. It kind of gets a little irritating after a while, but yeah. So please subscribe and like in this video. I don't think I'll show you what it's going to be looking like after 6 days, because that's going to take a while to wait for. So
The 51-year-old new mama showed off her svelte figure in a skin-tight black catsuit just 9 months after baby at her first and only LA stop on her
So yeah. Comment down below if you want me to make another Sunline video. So yeah, love you guys. Bye. Like, subscribe, and comment down below what your slime turned out to be like.